Join me as I dive into the challenge of imagining if Mars could really be our future home. I'll explore the possibilities and see if we can make it happen. The idea of making Mars our new home has been buzzing in the space community for years. With all the advancements in technology and a growing interest in space exploration, it's hard not to wonder if the red planet could one day be our new address. Mars, with its rusty landscape and mysterious allure, has captivated human imagination like no other planet. But beyond its fascinating appearance, the real question is whether it can sustain human life. The challenges are numerous. Mars' atmosphere is too thin to support liquid water, and its surface temperature can drop to -125 degrees Celsius at night. One of the most pressing concerns is radiation exposure. Space radiation is a major health risk for astronauts on long-duration missions, and Mars's thin atmosphere doesn't offer much protection. Prolonged exposure could lead to serious health issues, including cancer. Then there's the issue of resources, or the lack thereof. Water, food, and oxygen are essential for survival, but Mars lacks these necessities. Establishing a reliable food supply, for instance, would require a controlled environment to grow crops, which would be a monumental task given Mars's harsh conditions. And, let's not forget the psychological impact of living in such an alien environment for extended periods. The isolation and confinement could really take a toll on astronauts' mental health. On the other hand, there are some exciting developments in Mars exploration. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is working towards establishing a permanent, self-sustaining human presence on Mars. Their Starship program aims to send both people and cargo to the red planet, with the goal of making humanity a multi-planetary species. NASA's Artemis program, while primarily focused on returning humans to the moon, is also laying the groundwork for future Mars missions. The technologies developed through Artemis, such as advanced propulsion systems and life support systems, will be crucial for sustaining long-duration missions to Mars. Private companies like Blue Origin and Mars One are also contributing to the effort, with plans for manned missions and, potential human settlements. These initiatives might sound ambitious, but they're really pushing the boundaries of what's thought possible. One of the most promising areas of research is terraforming. That's the process of making a planet habitable by modifying its environment. While it's still largely theoretical, terraforming could potentially make Mars' atmosphere more hospitable to human life. Advancements in life support systems are also making long-duration space missions more feasible. Closed-loop systems that recycle air, water, and waste could, honestly, significantly reduce the need for resupply missions from Earth, making it way more practical to sustain human life on Mars. There's been some exciting research suggesting that Mars might be more habitable than we thought. Scientists have found evidence of seasonal water flows on Mars, which could be a game-changer for establishing a human settlement. If we can overcome the challenges, the reward could be worth it. Imagine a future where Mars is not just a destination for astronauts, but a thriving home for humans. The possibilities are honestly pretty tantalizing. In conclusion, while making Mars our future home is a daunting task, it's an option that's becoming increasingly plausible. The challenges are real, but so are the opportunities. So what do you think? Do you believe Mars could be our future home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more content on space exploration, be sure to check out my other videos.